Today we're talking about Senate Bill 502, which is a Paternity Justice Act of 2011. And one thing that really touched me so much in this, the gentleman would probably had a better chance of not paying the child support since it was not his child, but he felt that was his child, even though it legally wasn't. He felt that was his child and he wanted him to have the support. He just needed to get out of the spousal support in order to live a normal life. And I think that's pretty upstanding that when he could get out of paying some of it, that he felt morally he owed that to the child. And we don't want to see children hurt. But the spousal support, knowing that was a paternity fraud, this is what we want to clear up so the courts can fix their mistakes they make. One thing that makes this particular bill different from me, that it didn't actually come from a lobbyist, it came from a constituent in our county. It's one of the saddest cases I've ever seen where someone got lost between the cracks. And this is where a gentleman who's been married 20-some years, had 3 children, and is awarded, they awarded the spouse support plus child support. And his problem, he found out within 2 years that the child was not his. They did DNA testing, the child was clearly not his. And his problem, he still wanted to pay the child support, but he wasn't able to pay the spousal support, which was about $1,700. Combined, it was about a $3,000 payout. He had a fantastic job within our county and had to leave it and go to Washington, D.C., where he could make enough money to pay the spousal support and the child support. And in that, he didn't get to see his kids grow up. He's not able to attend the ball games and the thing the kids do, trying to pay the support for his children. We need to make a provision in the law that if someone finds out that there is paternity fraud, that this person the courts could clear up their mistake and stop the spousal support so this person could go back and live a normal life with his family. The goal of this bill is just to give the court a way to clear up a mistake and make it right for the families all across West Virginia. Testing has been so strong and held up in courts, and in this case where he had all the proof and the courts believed him, but there wasn't a way for the courts to make a change. And to this day, 7 years later, he still is paying the spousal support and the child support. And like I said, it's made an impossibility upon his family. He's married again and unable to do anything with his children because he has to travel out of town to make the kind of money it takes to pay both supports.